Okay.
Let's wait. Let's give 2 minutes silence to everyone who was joining us.
And who we confused from
And who
trying
we
to go
confused.
from many accounts.
Sorry. I think I could put it on Instagram, on our page. Please come on Neeti Dillons.
Okay. I'll put this picture on there. I share. What are these?
Just share. But that picture is gone now.
Arey, sorry. Wait, you know what I will do?
Oh my god, my friends. See, I'm telling you, all my friends are joining in. It is so funny. And I don't know what is happening here. Hey, hi everybody. How are you all doing?
Now live.
Hello. I'm so sorry, but apparently because our account is new, so we could not do the live from yours weekly. But here we are doing it for mine. And all my friends have joined in. Hello guys. Hi.
I'm posting.
Post.
We are now live.
We are live for Neeti.
Oh, thanks, bro. Should I have done a check?
Hi Chandu.
Chandu is here.
You know Chandu?
You know Chandu, so I know Chandu, bro. Okay, done.
Okay. So now we're here. Thank you all for so much love that you're showering on yours truly.
Into 10x.
Yours truly. Yours weekly. First, our thing's name was going to be yours
truly,
Then
yeah.
somebody changed it to yours weekly.
To yours weekly drop. Somebody changed it to yours weekly drop.
Because you couldn't find the name on Instagram. Shahid Kapoor bhi hai live pe, हैं? Oh hi, big fan. Shahid, love you.
Someone's requesting to be in our live video.
No.
What
You
does
cannot
that mean?
request.
Okay.
They want to be there and then you can chat
their
and
face will-
yeah. So you accept their video call, so then they'll be on our video. So
Hey.
that's what I was trying to do with our page, but then that didn't happen. Yeah.
आप
पीछे छिपकली नहीं है मेरे घर पे. Sorry, fortunately there are no छिपकलीज. There's so much love coming in. Thank you so much. Okay, so a lot of people will be at work today, in college, at office, and I know कि इतने सारे लोग join नहीं कर पाएंगे, but we will save this live and put it on our page, so you guys can not miss anything that we have said and shown. And everybody asking personal questions, I will answer at the end of the live, because it's been very long, as you all requested a live since forever. Chandni, you still haven't shopped. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. You know, all my friends have shopped. My family, my friends, everyone has shopped.
Except
Chandni.
Hello, we'll send you the link now.
Even one of your friends is also not shopped.
If she's not even here. That useless. We also want to thank you all for showing us so much love and support in the first week. So the entire concept is we have 5 drops, and every week, every Friday, every 12 p.m. we're going to drop one product category. And did they guess it right, Tay?
Yeah, I guess you all guessed it right. We asked you a poll. When I had slept, we did a nice poll. So yes, you all are correct. It is
Statement hearing.
yes, and it's going to be awesome. 1 minute, Chandu has written something. I have the link.
I'll shop now.
There is no link. You have to WhatsApp us. So we also have a WhatsApp number, all of you, which is it's put on our page. So please go on our bio and you can WhatsApp us. A lot of people are leaving this live because I think we're talking too much.
No, okay, so we're going to quickly show you all the collection that we have for you.
Not all. We are going to show you few,
Some.
but you have to go on our page to see all of it.
Yeah, let's go. Take one.
Okay. I want to know what you did over here. Guys, doing business with Vinti is like
It's adventurous.
Half the time I'm only laughing. Her voice notes are like and I'm like okay. So go for it. First you.
Okay, so this is our first pair called Rose Gold. So all our earrings are also made of premium quality brass. So they are anti-tarnish, and we've selected the best ones for you all. I love this one. It's super cute. We
And also
have-
the ones that we're wearing is
Yes.
from our collection.
Show yours, Tay.
Mine is like damn.
This is the
cool.
set, so you have a neck and a earring set as well. So we are doing sets as well as we're doing statement standalone pieces. We also have this, the liquid gold collection.
Yeah, this is like a drop
It's one
that
of
you
our
have.
favorites.
It's my favorite. I told her I am buying it from my store. So all my friends, if you're watching, you can just buy me that. Thanks. And also, we don't keep any of our collections with us.
Yeah.
So
although we want to.
We
but
want
it's
to
for
keep
you.
a lot, but yeah, we haven't even kept one with us.
So also please know that this is all a limited collection. We don't have too many of the same pieces. We're trying to keep it like a limited edition. So if you like anything, you can always order now, DM us, WhatsApp us, and this is the next one.
This is my favorite. This is like a mixture.
She has many favorites.
Yeah, half the collection is my favorite only. So we have this. It's
It's a
gold
dual
and
tone.
silver. Yeah, dual tone. She'll do the talking bitch.
Yeah.
But I love it because it's a hoop
It's very cute.
and it's damn nice. So if you're wearing, and nowadays I think a lot of people mix also.
Yeah.
They wear gold and so
Silver.
this was my choice. Okay.
And this is one of my favorites. It's the Sun collection.
And everybody's been wearing it. If you've seen my latest reels also, I've been wearing the ring of this. I just love it.
Yeah,
The
nice.
sun and the moon and everything like that.
We have a lot of things that you love because this is also one of your favorite ones only.
I want to call this crispy chips because this looks so nice. And also we have given really nice names to all our items that all our products that you
Yeah.
see on Instagram. It is all I was going to say tailor made, but no, it is Vinny made. It's Vinny made. It's Vinny made. It's
nice.
Vinny made. So please don't. Everything is like with love only. I think packaging से लेकर सब हम करते हैं यार. Even
Yeah,
your
yeah,
WhatsApp-
yeah.
One minute, guys.
Not
you guys,
hardly working.
You guys WhatsApp us. We get video calls in the middle of the night. Then we get messages. Matlab, I just want to tell you that's a business number, and we have two very sweet girls who are handling it. So
What are the
please
names?
don't
Can you
bully
share
them.
with the audience?
One is Ira.
Ida and Isha are the girls who are helping you all out with your collection on WhatsApp. So thank you for the love, but don't spam them.
Don't spam and please no video calls.
This is
This is my favorite. It's like a crispy bingo chips wala, and it looks damn pretty.
It's very nice.
If you have to go for a holiday, if you're going anywhere, please shop from us. It is expensive. It is not expensive. All our items, we are actually hardly earning anything from it. It's very
not
reasonable.
expensive.
Somebody's asking, is it
Okay.
expensive?
So no, actually, this is a really good quality one. So because it also has brass and it's anti-tarnish, it's not expensive. We have actually tried to make our cost as moderate as possible. So you all guys get premium quality at a very good cost. So if you see this, like it's really good quality stuff. We also have pure brass pages that we're gonna send you all. So this is all one of our latest collections.
We have many more. We have not kept too many because we're like, itna bada life nahi karna. Otherwise, people will start walking out. So no fun.
Nice filter. There's no filter.
There's no
This is how we
filter.
look.
This is how we look. We're just
Okay.
pretty.
I have always been of your earrings. Yeah.
I've always had a
Once you
thing
can
for
buy it.
earrings. I always have a thing for earrings. Guys, you have to shop from us, please.
Thank you.
Ranging from this person is the one who video called us.
I hope they heard what we said.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Okay, so let's just show them the neck pieces.
Yeah.
We also have many neck pieces, okay? So please. And we have
So
very
this is
limited
a
stock,
set.
so we don't buy too much also. We want it to be sold out in that 5 days that we give you. Please buy it. So this is one of it. This is the second one with earrings.
Yeah.
This is Suraj ki baahon mein zindagi ke mehsas.
I love this one. Actually, I love the sets. The
Yeah, the
look
sets are damn
really
nice. You can just show it like that.
Yeah, so we don't have a lot of sets as we shared before. These sets are all limited edition. We wanted to make just few of each. So if you like them, you can grab them now.
These are
They're
the
really
earrings.
cute sets. So they are like hard metals. So from behind, so they won't move because of the quality. We also have a hook over here, so it's nice, good for you.
So
guys.
Vinti is all about the quality over here, and these
Yeah,
are the
I'm
earrings
very
that
much
come
about
with it.
quality. We have to sell good quality stuff. So all of y'all who showed love and also bought our Navratri collection, you'll see that it's entire handmade and the quality is really good. So we stand by good quality at the best price that we can give you all. So let's
That is
begin.
nice.
We've got orders already.
We
We've got
have?
orders. Yeah.
Oh my god! Okay, you want to show? Wait, we have this thing. This is Vinti's
yeah,
favorite,
yeah.
which she's going to buy from our store.
If she lets me buy.
Everybody who was asking me who is where and what is happening, I do not know about anyone's whereabouts, but I just hope everybody's healthy, safe, and good.
I really love this.
I love all these shell things only.
Yeah, like this is the beach collection.
Yeah.
So
because Vinti is going for a holiday, my birthday is coming, so these are all the beachy things that we bought
Yeah.
because we loved it and we were like everybody else has to love it.
So Tay has this thing, she always says ki let's pick things that we love. So that's why for every earring we're lifting up and telling you it's our favorite, but truly it is our favorite.
Because I always say don't get anything you like, you should love it.
Yeah,
And thanks
that's
to
her
my
motto.
thanks to my sister, she always tells me this line. Only
Is
if you
she
like
there?
it. No. It must be very
We'll send her.
early for her.
Okay.
And all the prices, everything is all on yours weekly. So please go on our page right now, order your things. And right now we are taking orders because we have right now Ira and Isha are busy. So now we are going to be taking our orders. So please book yourself now. You have 1 hour if you want us to be taking your order and to be packing it.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Order now. Thank you all so much for so much love. We'll see you all in the next live. Do check out our collections. And if you want anything else for our next Friday drop, if you have any suggestions for product categories, we are more than happy to hear you guys out and meet your expectations as you like it.
Yes, please. And yes, we will ping our website, and everybody who wants to order these things, you have to go on yours weekly. So please go there. Oh, so we're getting so many Instagram messages and
Yay!
everything. So guys, order now.
Okay.
And next category, you all can leave a comment on the post that we just dropped for our new drop. That is week 2. So yeah, you can do that. And
Let's take our orders, Ira,
Yeah.
Isha, Neeti. So as Tay said that we'll be taking orders only till 1 p.m. Then we'll hand it over to Isha and Ira. So if you all want to order now. Love you guys.
Love you.
so
Take
much
care.
for
Thank you
taking
so
out
much.
time.
And thank you for all the love. Thank you.
Bye.
Shut it.
How to shut it?
Close.
Okay.